Hello and welcome to Motorsport and Performance. I'm Teddy, and in this video we are building the ultimate NA Mach 1. We have been set with the task of building a car that is going to be phenomenal on track whilst retaining full street drivability. To achieve this, we are installing Steeder's dual rate ultimate handling springs, Steeder's full stop the hop kit, Steeder front and rear roll bars with uprated billet mounts and adjustable drop links, Steeder brake disc coupled with some Hawk pads, Steeder's bump steer kit, Torsen differential with 3.73 crown and pinion, rounding off this differential build with a Fluix finned diff cover. ARH long tube headers with high flow cats. Full Baller GT500 Switchfire catback system, including the Switchfire centre pipe. To make this car look as good as it is going to perform, we are installing the full PP2 pack, including wheels, splitter, arch liners and wing with gurney. And rounding the chassis off with a custom four-wheel geometry setup. A JLT intake, all brought together nicely with a custom Mach tune. Now that D has worked his magic, the car is tuned and dialed in. We have a wheel horsepower figure of 444 and 381 foot-pounds to the rear wheels. The car produced stock 400 wheel horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque. Now from an intake and an exhaust mod and a custom ECU calibration, that's very good going. Once the car is finished in the workshop, it's handed over to our in-house detailing specialist for a full decontamination, paint correction and ceramic coating to protect and fully enhance the visual of this masterpiece. Now the car is fully complete, we can finally reveal it to you as a finished product. We are calling this the ultimate NA package for the Mach 1 Mustang. Let's take a look.